Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm coming from England to bring you a review of the Dylan wig by Tony of Beverly in the color Rooted Malibu. Now I'll talk about this color as soon as I take the wig off my head so I can really show you the highlights up close. Dylan has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top, as well as a really lovely contoured lace front. I'll zoom in on that. I've got it pushed up a little bit further on my head than I would normally wear it, just so that way you can see the knots really well. You can see that lace front really well. And Luscious Mono top. This is a rooted color. And I'll show you that again when I take the wig off. I decided that for this next part I was going to record a voiceover because even though this lovely view of Babacombe and the bay here in England is just really breathtaking, the wind, on the other hand, made it really difficult to understand anything that was coming out of my mouth. So I decided that I was just going to save you all of the and static and whatnot. So my gums will be flapping in this video, but I will just do my best to try to interpret what I'm saying. Dylan is what they call a lob. She's a long bob, and so this is what I'm explaining in this portion, and believe me, you'll be able to understand what I'm saying in this voiceover way better than what I was saying in the original audio for the video. The bang is 7 to 7.5 inches. The crown, which I just showed, was 8 to 8.5 of beautiful windblown inches. The sides are 6 to 7 inches, and the nape is 5. So she's definitely mid-length. She sort of grazes the collar. This is a 3.14 ounce wig, and she is relatively new to the Tony of Beverly line. You can see she's got a hand-tied lace front, open wefted sides and back with an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Man, I'm almost syncing up to the video here. She's also got fuzzy felt on the ear tabs. There is no permatease on the back of Dylan. Instead, she's got little tiny baby hairs that stick up right behind the crown. They're really subtle. The hair falls right over top of it. That's what I'm showing there. So no permatease in this wig. She does have fairly full volume, and you could kind of get that from the original product pictures as well as when this is on my head. Even with the wind blowing, you can tell it's kind of a full wig. But that's because it's got a lot of hair on it. Really nice monofilament features. Very realistic, some of the best on the market. This is also a very beautiful color, which I'm describing now. The Rooted Malibu color is a light golden brown that has some very lovely golden blonde tones mixed into it. It doesn't have any platinum in it though, so if you're looking for something similar to some of the other colors from other brands that have light golden brown in them, this one is unlike them because it doesn't have that platinum, but it does have that gold blonde to sort of even it out. I got a little defeated towards the end because I thought the wind was going to make this impossible, but with the power of technology, I was able to make it work. So this is where I say I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching our videos, and if you like what we do, defeating the odds and the elements to bring you epic hair reviews. If you like what we do here, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out at our web store, which is just www.cysterwigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye!